Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English session. I hope you people have completed with your assigned work of the previous lecture. Today we are going to conclude with the last three stanzas in the poem. Okay, before discussing the literary terms in the poem, let us have a comprehensive reading of the poem. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe, by B.J. Mobisa. Okay. See, as we have done with the half of the poem, and we know that the poem is highly inspirational. Here, the poet is trying to inculcate optimism and self confidence in us. Okay, so let us see the fourth stanza. To believe is to find the strength. See, when you are supposed to pick up the pieces and begin again, that is, after going through a shock or disaster, you are getting up, you're coming back to normalcy, and that time you need a lot of strength and courage. And from where you are going to get that? It is inside you. Simply you need to believe and find it out, okay, and overcome the disaster or the problem, and you can reach back to normalcy. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish. Poet here is telling to hold your life as a gift and a very dear and a great valuable thing. Now, why? We are never alone. We are never alone. That is, see, the strength and the courage are your companions gifted you by God. So, whenever problems are there, come out with that, find it out, face the problem, and you will feel that you are not alone. Some strength is there with you, a power is there with you. Okay? And at the same time, this life is gifted to you, which is a gift, which is a present from God, and you should always cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. There is never an end to your success and your achievements. Okay? So, if you believe that wonderful surprises are waiting for you, and with the help of the hard work, you can reach there. So, that is your belief. You should believe that the surprises, success, glories are waiting for you. What you need to do, cherish your life, pick up the pieces, use your strength and courage, and reach to that goal. Okay, and all our hopes and dreams are within our reach. This is another very strong belief you should have. You don't think that you are not capable to achieve whatever you want. If a desire is there from inside, okay, so definitely you will get the ability to achieve that. Definitely, obviously, hard work is must. Without hard work and efforts, no one can reach to goals. So if that is your passion, that dream is your passion, okay, that is your ultimate goal, so no one can hold you back. Okay, no one can hold you back to reach to that goal. So children, here we have discussed the three stanzas of the poem. That is, to believe is to know we are never alone, to believe to know to life is gift, and to believe to know it's time to cherish. Always cherish your life. Okay? Celebrate your life. It's a beautiful thing. Once that is, that is life is limited, isn't it? We all are finite ones. One day we all are going to die. So this beautiful thing is gifted to you. Enjoy it. Okay? Don't waste it that in your worries and your uh, as well in your failures. Okay, now children, you can see that from each stanza poet is trying to make you believe that you are a capable one and a very lucky one who is gifted with life. Now let us see the paraphrase of the poem. It gives us the message that is through self belief we learn strength and courage that is always lying dormant in us. With this strength, we can face any failure and disappointment and begin again building our world dreams. Poet believes that through self we learn that life is a wonderful gift full of pleasant surprises waiting to happen. Only your efforts are needed there. It is through self belief we can reach our dreams and fulfill our hopes. Poem is highly sensational. It renders a new spirit to the readers as they get inspired by the poet and start believing in the impossible. They are thundered with optimism, enabling them to find a new way of living life and beginning each day with a new hope to achieve their dreams. Now let us move towards the rhyme scheme. That is, previously we discussed that there are no rhyming words in the poem. Okay, and the poem is written in a free verse, and the ultimate aim of free verse poem is to convey you a message. Okay, instead of giving a aesthetic delight. Now moving towards the figures of speech. You can see epigram, alliteration, repetition, and consonants are dominating the poem. Now how it is? See, stanza, fourth stanza. To believe is to find the strength. Here the word to is repeated, so repetition is there. Sound of T is repeated, so alliteration is there, and it's a kind of witty statement, so it's a epigram. Okay, down again you can see to believe is to know we are never alone. Again it's a epigram. Repetition is there as well as alliteration is there. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting. So here again repetition, alliteration and epigram is there. Last two lines and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. Again here you can see the consonants are repeated within the words and consonants is prominent figure speech here in the last line. See, at the end of the poem you can see a word written believe. So that is actually the central theme of the poem, that is to believe. If you believe in something you can achieve that. Okay, with zest and with enthusiasm you can achieve the thing in which you have believed. Okay, now moving towards the vocabulary, you can see cherish, within reach, and pick up the pieces. Today these are the new words we discuss. Cherishing, that is holding something very dear and valuable. Within reach, that is which is possible to you to achieve. As well, picking up the pieces, it means that again returning to the normalcy after a shock or disaster. Okay children, here we are concluding with the poem. What I will say that each time we face our fear, we gain strength, courage and confidence in the doing. Okay, now about the English workshop and the other question answers, those will be provided to you in a PDF form that you are supposed to copy down in your notebook. So children, here we conclude with our poem. So thank you and have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.